Hello friends, I am Rima from Boutique Creation. Today I am going to show you all pure silk shibori sarees. Now today start. The check silk in shibori sarees. This is the number 1 with beautiful color combination. The color is red. The color is red with yellow. I am showing from the pallu part of the saree. This is the pallu in bright red color. This is purely handmade shibori in check silk. Check silk is also a pure silk in check pattern. It is called check silk. This is the hub portion. You can see the circle motif. It's all done by shibori technique. This is half and half design from the pallu, and this is the body. This is the half portion of the saree. It's very nice red color, and the other half portion is this is the half portion. It's very nice and very beautiful half and half concept design, and the price is 3450. 3450. This is the blouse piece, and you will get also silk mark. This is pure check silk number 1. This is also very pretty. This is the pallu. This is the pallu portion, green and yellow combination. This is also a check silk. It's very lightweight. And this is the body part. And now I am going to drape it. You can see how it looks. It's very nice. We can try to give you the close look because it's checks pattern. Why it is called check silk? For this check pattern, it is called check silk. This is the total look of the saree. Priced at 3450. This is the blouse piece. Now number 3. This is the number 3. This is the pallu in blue color. Black is the upper yoke. It is in the upper yoke, the black color, and the concept is pallu, patli pallu style, and blouse piece also in blue color. Black and blue color combination. This is the upper yoke. This is the pallu, and this is the patli portion. This is the patli portion. It's also very beautiful. And the price of the saree is 3450. This is the blouse piece in blue color. It has got a beautiful pallu in rani color, and this is the pallu. It's very bright, and the body part is highlighted in parrot green and rani. Design is different. This is the full body part. It's also very colorful. This is the pallu. This is the full body. All over the design is same in the body part, but the pallu is contrast in Rani color or fuchsia pink, you can say. And this is the blouse piece in Rani color. It's very nice and very colorful also. 3450, price at 3450. Move on to the fourth one. This is the pallu portion in green and yellow combination. All your check silk shibori shari, and you will get silk mark. I repeat again, this all are pure silk sari and you will get silk mark, and it's very lightweight and very comfortable fabric. The red part, it is in your upper yoke. This is the red color in upper yoke, and this is the pallu portion in green and yellow combination, and pallu also in green and yellow combination. This is the pallu portion, patli pallu style. This is the full view of the sari. It's very colorful. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece also in green and yellow combination. Color combination, all the color combination is very nice and very beautiful. You just take a WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is already given, 801-3392-307-9433 62969. This is the another piece. This is very nice. Short border in upper yoke and lower yoke, and the full body is highlighted in soft blue and grey. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu in bright royal blue color. This is the body, and the fabric is pure check silk. I already mentioned check silk is also pure silk, and you will get silk mark. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece also very nice. 3450, priced at 3450. This is also shibori in check silk, and the color combination is purple with peach color. Purple with peach. Pallu is different from the body. Design is different, but the color is same. Purple with peach color. Designed in different from the body. This is the pallu portion in different design, and the different method is used. But this is the body in geometrical shape. This is the full look of the saree. 3450, and you will get nice blouse piece. This is the blouse piece in purple and check peach color combination. This is the another piece. This is Rani and yellow and red combination in pallu portion, or parrot green in upper yoke. This is the upper yoke of the saree, dark parrot green. This is pallu. And in center plate, we used same color in just like in pallu portion. This is patli, this is pallu. It's also very bright color. Blouse piece also in Rani red and yellow color combination. Priced at 3450. is also very nice color combination, blue with red rani yellow. It's very bright. Pallu is very nice, red rani and yellow color combination. The royal blue is used in the upper yoke and the body part. This is also a patli pallu combination, patli pallu style. This is the body, upper yoke, and this is the pallu portion, and this is the patli portion. If you want to buy, just take a screenshot of the sari and send us in our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is already given in the description box. This is the pallu. This is the patli. Body is royal blue color. And this is the blouse piece. 3450, price tag 3450. Now black and red rani yellow combination. This is also very exclusive color. It's very nice color. Black and red rani yellow combination is always it. This is the body portion. Upper yoke is black, bold black. This is the pallu, and the patli portion is just like pallu. This is the patli portion. This is the pallu portion. And the blouse piece is just like patli and pallu in red yellow combination. This is another one. It's also very colorful, and the pallu portion is blue. The pallu is blue, but in the body part, here we used different types of color: yellow, orange, brown. This is the full body. It's very nice, very colorful also. This is also a shibori in check silk, and this is the pallu portion. It's very colorful. This is the blouse piece, priced at 3450. It's very soft color combination, brown with white. This is also pure shibori, handmade shibori shari. All shibori saris are very colorful in different design and different color. This is brown color, and the design pattern is different. This is, I think, half and half design. This is the half portion in geometrical pattern. This is the half portion from the pallu. This is the pallu. This is the half portion of the sari, and another half is just like this. No, I think this is the pallu. The pallu. This is the pallu. This is the pallu portion in different design, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse piece of the sari. It goes like that, half and half combination, half and half style. This is the first part of the sari from the pallu. This is the first part from the sari in geometrical design, and the another half is this type of design. All is made by in shibori technique. Now I am showing Tasar Bafta. This is also pure silk fabric. This is Tasar Bafta, and you will get silk mark also. This is the pallu portion, Jodi border Tasar Bafta. Pallu in royal blue color and the body is dark green. You can say leaf green. This is the upper yoke of the sari with royal blue pallu, contrast royal blue pallu. From the pallu, I am showing from the pallu. This is the pallu. Fabric is Tasar Bafta Jori border. This is the upper yoke, and this is the pallu portion, patli portion. This is the patli portion. Pallu and patli is blue color, and this is the blouse. This saree is going just like that. This is the full body. I am showing it clearly. This is the upper yoke. This is the achal. This is the upper yoke in blue color. This is the another half portion, and this is the blouse piece. It has got a nice blouse piece in blue color, priced at 3550. 3550. This is the another Tasar Bafta. Here is the pallu in red color, and the color combination of the saree is red and green with yellow. It's very bright. This is the full body of the saree in red and yellow color with green contrast. The total look of the saree is, and the price at the saree is, and the price is 3550. 3550. This is the blouse piece in green color, bold green color. Another shibori in Tasar Bafta. The fabric is very soft and very comfortable. In any weather you can wear this. This is very soft fabric. This is the inner part. Pallu is highlighted in red and pallu portion, and this is the body color. Dark green color, and this is the patli portion. This is the pallu portion. This is the body, and this is the patli. It's very nice color combination. Priced at 3550. This is the blouse piece. Now this is the saree is Tasar. This is Tasar silk, and the color combination is magenta with blue, but the design is different. This is pure Tasar silk saree. Upper portion is highlighted in magenta color, and the lower part is highlighted in blue in triangle shape. This is also a pure shibori in Tasar silk saree. This is the pallu portion. It has got a beautiful pallu. Pure Jari Tasar. And the blouse piece in blue color. This is the blouse piece, and the price is 5050. This is another one in purple and peach combination. All are pure silk sari, and you will get silk mark. Today I have shown you all are pure silk sari, and you will get silk mark with all the sari. This is the inner portion of the sari. Purple with peach color combination. It's very sophisticated color combination, and the design is very nice. This is the red and yellow color combination in Tasar. This is the pallu portion, and this is the body portion. It is designed by Shivori technique in geographical pattern. It's very nice red color. Soft red. This is the good look of the saree. And the blouse piece is, this is the blouse piece in red and yellow color combination, priced at 5050. 5050. And the last one is in blue color in Tasar. This is pure Tasar saree. If you want to buy, you just take a screenshot of the saree and send us in our WhatsApp number, or you can call us also. Number is already given, 801-339-2307, and the other number is 9433-6969. You can just call us or you can WhatsApp us in those numbers. This is the last one in blue color. This is the inner portion. It's very bright blue. Priced at 5050. Priced at 5050. Zari bordered Tasar silk. It's very bright color. Has got a beautiful blouse. This is the blouse. Okay, that's for today. Hope all you were safe and sound. Bye.